Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. I'm here at Barry's Greenhouse in Natick, Massachusetts. It's a wholesale division, and we're talking today about an award that Barry's won at the Boston Flower Show this year, and they used some really unique plants. We're going to talk to Richard Berry a little bit about how it was designed. So we're in front of the design, and this was at the Boston Flower Show, but it's actually back at Barry's Greenhouse now, and I'm going to let Richard tell us a little bit about some of these plants. They're very unique, and what a beautiful display. So Richard, tell me about what we've got.
Well, what we have in this display is a combination of Mangaves, which is a new plant which came from Walter's Nursery in the Midwest, and they crossbred a Manfreda with a traditional agave, which is a very slow growing, stiff leaf, and they crossbred that and came up with what they're calling Mangave. And we were fortunate to meet with the production people this past summer, and we're one of the first to get the plugs that they've produced. And we got 8 different varieties. There's one called Spotty Dotty, there's Man of Steel, and there's a number of cute names with great looking plants. We combined that with the Echeveria series that we traditionally grow and tried to do a display showing the combination of agaves, Echeverias, aeoniums, and numerous other varieties of plant material that would do well in New England outside for the summer and then could be taken back inside and enjoyed in the house for the winter. The colors and textures and varieties are spectacular. I truly enjoy working with them and selling them.
Richard, thank you very much. Awesome display. Congratulations on that award. Really an honor. And look for those new plants out there. They are pretty amazing, and it's always interesting when you find brand new things to bring to your garden. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.